Good day po. I am Brother Justin Maria Sitayco, MMHE from Dumaguete City. Before I enter in this congregation, I am a teacher at Dumaguete, teaching senior high school. Now, who inspired me to enter in this congregation? It is the priests and brothers of the Marian Missionaries of the Holy Cross who handled our youth organization called Diocesan Youth Ministry in Campus. They show us that God loves us and His love is eternal. And so it echoes always in me when I am in college as well as also I am teaching. And then I realize that God calls me for a greater purpose. And so, kaya mga kapatid, may bukasyon ka, kaya kailangan mo lang makita, mahalin at alagaan.